Good morning, students. The last class, what we discussed. So we saw how to locate irrational number on number line. Is it clear? Last class we saw how to locate irrational number on number line. So how to locate root 2, root 3, and root 5 and root 10. Okay. So all concepts related to 1.2 exercise completed. Now we have to start the 1.2 exercise. So first one is over. Classify the following rational numbers as rational and irrational. Classify following numbers as rational. Okay, first one is over. So we have to see second one on this. Exercise 1.2. Second problem. Give 4 examples for rational and irrational. Give 4 examples for rational and irrational. Give 4 examples for rational and irrational. Is it okay? So first one you have to see 4 examples for the rational numbers. Four examples. You can take your own example. Any 4 examples you can take. Is it okay? If 4 examples means you can write your own any numbers. Suppose 2 by 6, otherwise 2 by 5, minus 1, 6 by 7, 8, 0, and so many can like this. These are the 4 examples for the rational numbers. Okay, this is an open-ended question. You will get your own answers. They are the same numbers. If I write 2 by 5, no need to write 2 by 5. Don't like you can write 1 by 3, 4 by 6. Any numbers you can take. All rational numbers, all natural numbers, integers, and one more whole numbers. If you take any number, it becomes an example for page number. You want anyone? Page number 14. Page number 14, exercise 1.2, real number chapters. This is a question number 2. Is it okay? Coming to the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Examples. It is also open-ended question. You can give your own examples. Open-ended question. You can give your own examples. That is root 2, root 3. Root of any perfect square number is a rational number. Next, you can give 5, 2.36, 4186, or 76, and so on. Like that, you can give infinite number of examples, but in that we require only 4 examples. Okay, bar is not terms. So any 2.36 bar means non-terminating recurring. It is a rational number, not a irrational number. Here you can take example 2.36 bar, 2.56. So this whenever we getting bar means the digits are repeating, automatically it becomes a rational number. But coming to here, non-terminating, non-recurring means non-repeating digits. 2.36, 4.76. There is no pattern is repeating. Is it okay? Whenever you are writing bar, it not comes an irrational number. It comes under rational number. Okay, right. This is a question number 2. Completed. Okay, right. Right. Next one. Find an irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. How many more there? 3. How many more there may be? Find irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. So that question given A equals to 5 by 7, B equals to 7 by 9. You have to find the one irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. You know main method. An irrational number between A and B is root AB. You know clearly root AB. What is the A equals to here? 5 by 7, B equals to 7 by 9. So substitute the two values in this. So 5 by 7 into 7 by 9. Is there any cancellation in that? Any cancellation? Road is not clear. So today weather is not good. That is the reason. But you have to check your internet once. So here clarity only. There is no problem on my end. So check your internet first. Is it clear board? Please respond. Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Sakshi. Okay. Very good. Okay. 7, 7. It cancels. So remain is the root 5 by 9. Now it's in the form of is it okay? Sorry for delay. Root 5 by root 9. Root A by B. You know very well. What is the function of A by root B? Root of A by B. So here we can write root 5 is 5 only. Root 9 is 3. This is the irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. Is it okay? So in this question, continuation is there. Like this, how many you can insert? How many irrational numbers we can insert like this? So anyone? Like this, we inserted only one irrational number. We can insert infinite number of irrational numbers between any two. Okay, very good, Sakshi. We can insert infinite number of irrational numbers between given two rational numbers. That we have to write conclusion. Is it okay? Okay, right. Okay, completed? Okay, right. Okay, next one is a question number 3. Okay, what is the question number 3? So 3 is completed now. Next for find two irrational numbers between 0.7 and 0.77. Find two irrational numbers. Fourth question. Find two irrational numbers between 0.7 and 0.77. We are going to insert two irrational number between these two. So what we can do? A equals to 0.7, B equals to 0.77. This is the given numbers, given decimal numbers. So now we are going to insert two irrational numbers between these two. So you know very well, non-terminating, non-recurring decimal numbers are irrational numbers. You see clearly? 0.712356 9123 and so on. So non-terminating, non-recurring. So moreover, 0.71 is lies between 0.7 and 0.77. Is it okay? Next, another example. 0.72 5623 76 and so on. Okay, 0.7256234176. These are the two irrational numbers. Like this, we can insert so many. So 0.7341526343 and so on. So like this, you can insert so many numbers. But the number 0.71 or 0.72 or 0.73 is lies between 0.7 and 0.77. Is it okay? This is also open-ended question. In examination, need not to by heart these answers. Okay, you can write your own answer. Try to set one irrational number in chat box. Those who are completed, first write down. After that, try to set your own. One game answer. Okay, very good. One more person also give answer. Okay, Harsha, very good. Okay, completed? Right. Next question is the fifth one. Find the value of root 5 up to 3 decimal points. Find root 5 up to 3 decimal points. 3 decimal points. So you have to find root 5 in the long division method. You have to find this 3 decimal places, not points. 3 decimal places. After point, you have to get it 3 digits. Is the meaning of 3 decimal places. So you have to go for long division method. So here is a 5. What is the nearest square number? No, Dinesh, I will not send any notes. You have to copy it from the blackboard. Otherwise, you can take a screenshot. After that, you can write. Okay, nearest square number for 5. That is 4. 2 2s are 4. Remain we get 1. So you have to add plus 2. It becomes 4. We replace will be each and every time empty. So if we take point 2 points. So we get here and then we get 2 zeros. Long division. In normal division we get 1 0, but in long division method we get the 2 zeros. So how many times is possible? If I take 1, you have to multiply with 1. 41 into 1, 41. Very less compared to 100. So if we take 2, unit place also you take 2, 2. So check once. 42 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 84. Okay, we can take 84. Next we have to add. This is a 42 multiplied with 2. So 42 plus 2, 44. Again, unit place should be empty. Okay. Next. 10 9. 10 minus 4 6. 9 minus 8 1. So again we can take 2 zeros. Okay. Next 440. We take 1. 441 into 1. 441. But we have almost 1600. How many times we can try? If we take 4 times, we will get more than 1600. You have to take better to go for 3 times. So that is, I am taking 3. Again, you have to multiply with 3. 443 into 3. 3 3 is 9. 12 1 12 13. 2 3 2 3 9. We can take the borrow from 6. Here 10 minus 9 1, 9. So 9 minus 2. If we take power, there will be 9 not 0. 9 minus 2, 7. Yes, 5 is there. After taking power, 6 will become 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So again you can take 2 more zeros. It becomes 27,100. So we have to add 3. 443 plus 3. 446. Again unit place is empty. Again you have to select the suitable number for multiplication purpose. So if I take 1, it becomes near about 4,000. It becomes near about 27,000. Okay, better to go for 6 times. Okay, some are suggesting. Just multiply 6 times. 4,466 into 6. 6 is 36. 3. 6 is 36. 9. 6 4 is 24. 24 plus 3. 27. 2. 6 4 is 24. 26. Okay. 26,796. To subtract one number. 2.236. So root 5 up to 3 decimal numbers. Root 5 equals to 2.236 up to 3 decimal numbers. Root 5 equals to 2.236 up to 3 decimals. Up to 3 decimals or up to 3 decimal places. Please write down, speed up. Okay, right? Okay, next question, question number 6. You have to find root 7 up to 6 decimal points. Question number 6. Find root 7 up to 6 decimal points or 6 decimal places. Is it okay? That is your homework. Try yourself. So, if possible, in the evening session, I am going to send how to find root 7 from your school app in section of your city. Where the focus will be there. Option is there, icon. Focus. So, case of focus is there. That you have to see. That I am going to send by evening. But you have to try your own root 7. Root 5 it will only up to 3 decimals. Root 7 you have to do same process up to 6 decimal numbers. Is it okay? You will try. Okay, you can try. If possible, by evening I am going to send in your school app. Okay, now I am going to end the meeting today after completion of one more problem. So you are not getting perfect net. Sometimes you may not see the board. Okay, today weather is not good. Is it okay? So now my mobile is connected to the school Wi-Fi as well as to my mobile data, whichever getting fast. The Zoom is shifting, but even though you are getting sometimes blur. Okay. So next question is last one for today class. That is locate root 10 on number line. Locate root 10 on number line. So first you have to split the root 10 into sum of the two square numbers. Split 10 into sum of the two square numbers. And even root 10 we can also written as root 10. Root 10. Sum of the two square numbers. Three square plus 1 square. Very good. So nothing but it is a 9 plus 1. That we can written as 3 square plus 1 square. This step is very important. After that, you have to draw the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Next, you have to take 3 on number line. 3 units on number line. You have to start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So this considers A, B. I do 3 units on number line. After that, you have to draw the perpendicular line and point to B with the help of the protractor. Okay, first you have to locate point. After that, you have to join this scale. So on this, you have to take 1 unit, length of 1 unit. So consider this point to C. With the help of this scale, join AC. Now, join AC. Next. So A as a center, you have to one end of the compass. This is the one leg of the compass should be on point A. Another end is at C. A as a radius, AC as a center, AC as a radius. You have to draw the on discussing number line. So here is a root 10. Is it okay? Construction of root 10? Okay, remaining problems we are going to discuss in the next class. You have to complete up to year 10. So only I gave one number, that is root 7. You have to find up to 6 decimal points. Try your own. If possible, I will send notes to that by evening. Okay.